Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel IELTS is Easy. As I promised you earlier, I have come up with things based cue cards today. So we are going to discuss our first category, that is things based cue cards. So I have written 15 cue cards that are expected to be in exams, in your speaking test obviously. So one by one we will discuss these cue cards first, and then we will discuss what are the things, what is the content that can be similar in all those cue cards. Like there will be some questions that will be similar in all the things based cue cards. So we are going to discuss that today. So come with me. So first is something that was broken. So this is a thing based cue card. We have to speak about something that was broken and then we got it repaired, right? The next one is something you received for free. Again, in this cue card we have to speak about the thing. That means a materialistic object. Fine. Third, toy you liked in your childhood. Again, nothing. Item of clothing someone gave you. Special cake you received. Gift you would like to buy. This will be in future obviously. But again we have to speak about thing. So the content can be similar. Item you spend more than expected. Book you enjoy reading. This will be in present. Important equipment at your home. Puzzle you have played. Something you want to have. This will be in future because we do not have something that we want to own in the future. A bag you want to own, again something we want to buy. Something that was difficult to use. Something you bought and you found that it was very difficult for you to use it or install it, like these things. So 15th is your favorite movie. It is also about a kind of thing, right? So these are 15 cue cards which will be actually based on the things. So now we will discuss all the cue points which will be same if you counter any cue card in your exam. So these points are what the thing is, why can be different, like why you broke it, why you received it, why you bought it, why do you want to buy, when will always be the same, we just have to describe a time. I'll tell you, if you counter any cue card where you have to talk about past thing you bought in past or thing you received in past, just say last month or last year. How did you feel? How did you feel will be similar again. Our feelings will be similar, that I tell you how to describe the feelings, right? So now if you counter what, then you will write down the name of the thing like watch, toy, anything. Reason. In why you have to write reason, like why you broke it. I broke it accidentally. Why you bought it? Because it was my sister's birthday. Why do you want to own it? Because I like it a lot. This way. When will be? Just write down timing. Last month. Last year. It's up to you totally. How did you feel? There you have to describe a feeling. If you were sad, you can use various words to express your dissatisfaction, that I was dismayed, I was sad, I was depressed, I was discouraged. Or if you were happy or if you will be happy when you will buy it, then you can tell the things like I will be extremely happy, or I was extremely happy, I was over the moon, I started bouncing on the walls. Right? These are the things that you can speak about. So now, when examiner gives you 1 minute during the exam to prepare it, you need not to think over the ideas. If you counter cue card which is things based, you will be knowing, okay, that I just have to write these things. What it is? I just have to write it was my watch. Why? I broke it accidentally. When? It was last month. How did you feel? I was dismayed. these are the things you just have to write them in front of the cue points which will be given to you on a sheet of paper. So still you will be having time, then you can consume that time in using the vocab words that you will be using in your cue cards. So this is a great trick to prepare for your whole cue card in just 1 minute. Now let's discuss how we can describe any object based on these categories, right? As we can write the function of the object, the material of the object, the texture of the object, the weight of the object, the color of the object, and undoubtedly the price of the object. I'll give you an example. If you just want to describe a bag that you just owned or that you want to own or that someone gifted you, right? You can just say these things about the bag. Okay, let me give you an example of the description of any materialistic object according to these given features. I'll just read out the features for you: function, material, texture, weight, color and price. So इसको कैसे describe करेंगे हम लोग? I'm telling you an example about a bag, right? Okay. I received a beautiful bag from my mother last year on my birthday. That bag is of green color. It is very beautiful. It is a leather bag. It has 4 pockets, 2 outside and 2 inside. It has also a hidden pocket which actually keeps my important things secured. I can carry my many things in this bag because it is quite spacious. I don't know the price of that bag as my mother gifted it to me, but I can guess that it is very expensive because she bought it for me from Paris when she went there last year. So that way we can describe the things. So I think I have covered all the things. I told the color, the price, I told that I don't know. I told the texture, the material and the function, that its capacity is the function here, obviously. So that way you can describe the things. So that's a wrap for today, guys. I'll meet you soon in the next video with a cue card which will be obviously things based. And after that I'll be making videos for each and every cue card. Please stay tuned for getting updates and getting new ideas about cue cards and other modules of IELTS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Have a good day. Thank you.